This is 40 ton per day, and the first is paddy clean and destoner machine. Can remove paddy stone and impurity, can get clean paddy. And then is a paddy husk machine, can get brown rice. And behind one is brown rice and paddy separate machine. Use this machine can separate paddy and brown rice. Brown rice will be next rice mill machine, and paddy will back to paddy huller machine. And this is include 3 sets rice mill machine. Then is rice grinder. Rice grinder machine can separate whole rice and broken rice. Then is a color sorter machine. Use camera technology, can separate different color rice and impurity. Also, then you also can add the rice packing machine and the bag closer.